Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Kelly and I have been traveling home from Florida back to Ontario. We stopped in North Carolina. Boy, we sure have been enjoying the southern hospitality here. Lots of lovely people. And I wanted to find a simple and delicious recipe. So I thought, what better of a place? Zebulon, North Carolina. That's where my sister PJ lives. PJ, come on in here. PJ is a fantastic cook. She lives here in Zebulon. It has a population of about 5,000 people, a lovely little town. It's the home of the minor league baseball Carolina Mudcats. And today, we're gonna do PJ's famous baked mac and cheese. It's an old family recipe back from the 70s. PJ, let's get cooking.
All right.
We have our roasting pan all ready to go. We've given it a light cooking spray. Our oven is preheating at 350 degrees. We're gonna add our noodles. Elbow noodles we've used. We cooked them in some salted water, just till they're al dente. We want them still firm. Took about 9 minutes. Then we're gonna add a stick or a quarter cup of melted butter. Then we'll get on to our seasonings. We want a teaspoon each of the following: garlic powder, pepper, and then we're going to add some salt, and a quarter cup of grated Romano cheese. Now for our tomatoes, I like to use a good quality stewed tomato. San Marzano are wonderful tomatoes. So you're going to use 3 cans. They're 28-ounce cans, or 794 grams. We've mashed them up. You can use your hands or you can use a potato masher. We're going to mix that up well. And then we're going to add 4 cups of shredded mild or sharp cheddar. I like to use the sharp personally, but that's up to you. But we're going to mix that up really well. And then we're going to top it off with another 4 cups of the shredded cheese. We'll spread that out evenly, and then we'll cover our pan with tin foil, and we'll pop it in the oven for 30 minutes. Beautiful, let's get it in the oven. So it's been 30 minutes. We're going to take that out and remove the tin foil. And we'll put that back in, for 10-15 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it's almost brown, but PJ says let's put it under the broiler for just a couple of minutes and we'll get that perfect browning. Okay, it's been 4 minutes on broil. It's just the way PJ likes it. Look at the beautiful color on that. Oh, gorgeous. And she's got some garlic bread all ready to pop into the oven for a little side. It looks delicious. While our garlic toast is cooking in the oven, we'll let this mac and cheese sit for about 15 minutes. And then we'll plate it up. It's going to be delicious. And PJ is going to serve us up a plate of this delicious mac and cheese. I can't wait to try it. Look how nice and ooey gooey it is. My goodness, that looks delicious.
And I like to top it with a little bit of Romano cheese.
A little bit of Romano cheese. Perfect. And then let's put a little bit of our fresh garlic toast on the side, shall we?
Yep.
Oh my, let's call the gang in to try it.
Enjoy.
Well, that was another simple and delicious recipe. Thanks to PJ sharing that old family secret of mac and cheese. I think it's time to try the goods. Kelly, why don't you come in and try it out with me?
Yeah, absolutely.
PJ,
Here you go.
thank you so much. Oh boy, it's the best time. Oh, oh my. So good and cheesy, and that bits of tomatoes in there. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya!
Well, she's a real fine chick, keeps her feathers all puffed. The way she struts around with her tail sticking up, yet I'm talking about the rooster.